What are you seeing in terms of delinquencies amongst your users at this point, given this inflationary environment?
So I think you said it right before the break. The U.S. economy, at least for the moment, is still quite strong. We are seeing exactly the repayment and the delinquency and defaults, all the metrics that we track very, very carefully, perform to our models as predicted. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Because we have so many very small separate obligations that we enter with our consumers, what really happens is we can choose a delinquency default number. It is an input, a setting into our business, as opposed to an outcome that we have to deal with. So as a result, we've been able to manage the business really, really tightly. Now, the interesting thing is that the reason we're able to raise guidance a little bit is because what we're really saying here is not only has Affirm done great, the demand for our service is going up because consumers are trying to ration their money a little bit more carefully because they're trying to smooth out their cash flow. And so to date, the economy has been very strong. Our consumers have been paying us as we had predicted they would, and the demand for the business is increasing.
All right, Max, I agree with that. So let's just go right to Amazon so people understand. If you have the relationship with Amazon and the level of defaults for Amazon, I think are almost nil, why are people so worried about the so-called little jokes like buy now, not pay? Because I find these to be something you would say if you were short the stock down here with an $8.7 billion market cap.
I can't speculate as to what the shorts are really saying and the rumor mongering they're engaged in. For what it's worth, we're doing really, really well. The Amazon pilot, as referred, launched last year, and it's only been a couple of months, but the results we're seeing are really excellent. There's just unbelievable demand for this product. Again, in the more complex economic times, your cash flow has to be smoothed out, and that's what we do. Inflation robs you of your spending power, literally, and we bring it back.